Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel.
Bikes have made a comeback in recent years, but some of us have enough trouble keeping our balance without also dealing with angry pedestrians and angry drivers trying to zoom past us while we calculate how much space we have between our bike and that parked car on the side of the street. Enter the adult tricycle. Over time, tricycles were relegated to children and boardwalks, while two-wheeled bicycles became a rite of passage for suburbanites and urban commuters alike. We can't blame them when the adult tricycle conjures up this monstrosity. Who would even contemplate shopping for one?
Number 5. Mobo Triton Pro Adult Tricycle.
If you're looking for a more radical and more fun take on the adult tricycle, check out the Mobo Triton Pro Adult Tricycle. Rather than a traditional bike frame, this tricycle has a recumbent steel frame with a padded back and seat rest. Rather than traditional handlebars, you use dual joysticks for steering, maneuvering, and braking. The bike also covers a wide range of heights thanks to the adjustable length, though it won't be comfortable for adults pushing far beyond 6 feet. No balance required, low center of gravity provides maximum stability. Dual joystick steering offers smooth maneuverability with simple hand movements.
Number 4. Durabus 24-inch Adult Tricycle.
Not only does the Viribus 24-inch adult tricycle come with a front and a rear basket, but the rear basket is wheeled and detaches, which means you get both a trike and a cart for the price of one. With a weight capacity of 110 pounds, the rear basket can hold whatever you need to bring back home, or take for a day in the park or at the beach. Our 3 premium wheels with aluminum alloy rims keep you balanced and secure even with your groceries or pets in the basket. The single-speed gear provides a simple experience for all skill levels, friendly for individuals with low mobility or physical challenges.
Number 3. Kent 26-inch Alameda Folding Adult Trike.
Maybe you simply don't have the room to store an adult trike. If that's the case, check out the Kent 26-inch Alameda Folding Adult Trike. Not only does this bike store easily, but it can support up to 275 pounds and hold a number of goodies in the back basket. Make that weekly trip to Trader Joe's just a little more fun. The adjustable seat has a shock absorption effect to absorb bumps, and the height-adjustable handlebar gives you the most comfortable riding experience. Suitable for you to use when you are in town, beach, or shopping. Adult tricycle bicycles are suitable for various road surfaces and are expected to be used for a long time.
Number 2. Schwinn Meridian Adult Trike.
For a solid, overall great adult tricycle, you'll want to check the Schwinn Meridian Adult Trike. It's designed with 26-inch wheels for a smooth ride and a low aluminum drop frame so shorter people can get on with no problem. This tricycle only offers a single-speed setup, but that helps keep the price reasonable, and you won't need additional gears if you're mostly on flat terrain. If you do encounter a hill too steep to ride, it's easy enough to walk the bike up. And when you're headed downhill you can count on the linear brakes on the handlebars to keep you from cruising out of control. The Meridian Adult Tricycle is perfect for rides around the neighborhood or trips to the store. The suggested rider height is 5 foot 4 inch -6'2", and the recommended weight limit is 250 pounds.
Number 1. Slsy 7-speed Adult Tricycle.
For a great, affordable adult tricycle with additional speeds, we recommend the Slsy 7-speed adult tricycle. You can pick it up with 20-inch, 24-inch, or 26-inch wheels depending on your expected distances and usage. The bike features a steel drop frame so you can get on and off easily. It's rated to carry riders up to 350 pounds. We can't forget about the big basket too for all your storage needs. For additional comfort and support, Slsy opted for a padded seat with a backrest. Slsy Tricycle has a large rear basket. Load up the conveniently basket with groceries, supplies, or whatever suits your daily shopping while staying in shape.
If you are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.